How to unarchive cards on Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to unarchive cards on Trello. So first of all, just simply open the Trello's official website and just log into your account using your credentials, and once you are logged into your account and you are in your workspace, just simply select the board where you would want to unarchive the cards that you have archived earlier, and simply click on the three dot menu icon from the right hand side menu screen, and over here under the menu section you will be able to see the option called activities and archived items. Just simply click on archived items, and over here you will be able to see the list of items that you have archived in the past. So for example, you have archived this particular card right here. Just simply click on it, and over here just simply scroll down and click on this section called send to board, and now this particular card has been unarchived successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to unarchive cards on Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.